Okay, welcome to the DALI booth here at the CES in Las Vegas. For many years we have been selling speakers also in the high-end category. You probably know them as the DALI Euphonia speakers, and we also have the DALI Epicon speakers. And actually we have just brought out, or are bringing out, because this is actually a sneak preview, a brand new speaker. It's called the DALI Epicon 6. And this is a preview because we launched it, did a pre-launch in Tokyo and in Guangzhou in China a couple of months ago. And now we're doing it here at the CES show in Las Vegas. What we are seeing here is you have two woofers, two wood fiber cones, 6.5-inch woofers here with a very low loss suspension. This is rubber which we have perfected over the years, that it gives the least mechanical resistance at all. And you can't see the basket from here, but the basket is actually optimized for optimum airflow at any point. And we have our DALI hybrid tweeter system consisting of the ribbon tweeter and the dome tweeter here. You will notice that the dome tweeter is actually a bit oversized to make it easy to integrate with the woofers here, so that the woofers and the tweeters actually, you feel that there's almost no crossover point between them. But that's very important for the complete sound experience here. If we look at the cabinet, then you can see that there are no parallel sides, so it means that we eliminate standing waves, and we have meticulously braced the cabinet internally, but very limited done so. It means that we have only done the bracing where it's absolutely necessary. We believe in maximum time coherence and in a low loss design. It means that if you make too much of a maze out of this, then you may optimize the frequency, but you will have lost the timing in the speaker. Here we have the optimum timing at any point, and that's very, very important. The wood fiber technology here was actually introduced with the Euphonia series about 10 years ago, and we have optimized that over the years, and even in the recently launched sensor series, which is at the entry level of the DALI product range, you will find wood fiber technology today. It's of course not the exact same wood fiber technology as you have in the Epicon series here, but basically the basic material is the same. The wide dispersion is a DALI sound principle as well. That means that any speaker we introduce to the market has a very wide dispersion. And one of the reasons for that is that we can simply lower distortion by optimizing the wide dispersion in the speaker. It means that where many speaker manufacturers will tell you to toe in the speakers, we will never do so. Our speakers will always have to be placed parallel with the back wall. By doing so, we make sure that the sweet spot is always off axis. And when the sweet spot is off axis, that's where we have the lowest distortion possible. The distortion in a speaker like this is always high frequent, and the more high frequent it is, well, the more on axis it is. So by placing the speakers parallel with the back wall, we get the lowest possible distortion.